Family, the market went soaring. Let's check out what can continue to happen from here. All right, it's stocks in hip hop. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I truly appreciate it. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor. Make sure you check out the whole video. Give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Get the notifications for whenever I drop a new video. This is Stocks in Hip Hop, the only place where you will find hip hop and finance mixed together. And what we do here every single week is we look at the market and we look for clues. And we look for those clues to help protect our money. We do that with technical analysis. In addition to that, what we do is we check out hip hop, all right? And this week's hip hop lyric comes from my man 38 Special. He dropped a new project, brand new this year, 2023. Crown King is the track that I'm talking about, and on there he spits the lyric, "Kids got a huge portfolio to inherit." And this is to let you know, stocks and hip hop have always been together, and I'm going to show that to you every single week. All right, so let's check on what's going on in the market. The market closed at $4,282.37. The S&P closed $4,282.37. Let's check out what's going on. Whoo, family, it's been a while since we've done this, so welcome back. I'm not gonna lie to you, I had a great time. Now it's time to get back to this market, and we can see that we had a huge run. The bulls are back in town. I have been a doubter, and they have punched me for being that doubter. So where can we go from here? All right, so let's check it out. Pattern right now is showing that we are having a breakout, and we have current resistance around this 4,300 area. 42 has been the bigger resistance continuously, and now we have closed above that, and 43 is the next area of resistance. So I want to see if the market has enough power to continue to move higher and go above 43. The start of the month has come off hot. Let's see if it can continue for the rest of the month. All right, so 4,300 is what we're looking for. The upside target. Downside target is if we come back down to retest around at 42 to see if it can hold its own. All right, and that's what we really want to see is a strength. The strength is when can you hold it? Can you hold it? How many grocery bags can you hold, S&P? That's going to let us know how strong the market truly is. All right, so that's the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out what's going on with the Russell. All right, and we use ticker IWM. All right, so IWM closed at 182.02. All right, so $182.02. Those 2 pennies get represented well. We still have been range bound, and we've recently got out of that range. Ooh, family, we have been watching this go back and forth. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 straight months in a row, weeks in a row, that we have been going back and forth. So that is a solid almost 4 months of being in the same range. So where can we go from here? We got to where we wanted to go, family. We talked about being in this range for a while, and we actually closed with strength back above that 180. So now you can see this really huge candle that happened a while ago, which made me a believer in the bears. Now the bulls are back, and we're going to see if we can actually start to regain some momentum. So I'm looking to see a pretty decent move to happen to get back to around that 190 area, because you can see we fell from there very fast. We can easily make that back up in the same fashion to the upside. So I'm looking for a huge upside target of this coming back to around that 190 area. Downside target is if we come back to retest where we just broke out from. That 180 is where we're going to see if we get back to that range and see if it holds up. All right, so 180 is the downside target, 190 is the upside target. All right, that's IWM. Let's bounce on over to what we got going on with the Dow. Let's see what's popping here, because this is the real one we want to check out. All right, Dow closed at $33,762.76. And this one really hasn't changed. All right, S&P has shown that it is broken up to the upside. The Russell has shown that it has gone to the upside as well. The Dow, however, is still in its range. So where can we go from here? family, those price targets have not changed. They have not changed at all. We're still looking forward to actually get above this 34,000 area, because this is where we continue to falter at. So 34,000 is the upside target. Downside target is if we come back to retest around this 33,000 area. Same price targets, nothing's changed there. We're going to wait to see what happens with the Dow. Lastly, the hot index, the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, $14,546.64. And man, this thing has rocketed. Man, I tell you, I had no idea that this was even possible. I expected for the Nasdaq to continue to be pretty weak, and it was the stronger of the four, as I have always indicated, and it continues to show its strength. So where can we go from here? We have gapped pretty far away from our moving average, and usually when that happens, we have a slowdown. So I'm actually looking for the Nasdaq to try to chill out for a little bit. All right, we have an upside target though, because I could be wrong there. Upside target right now is around that 15,000 area, because you can see right here, when we were there before, this is where we fell from grace. So 15,000 area is where I'm looking for this to eventually test, to see if it's really as hot as it is. All right, if it gets there, we'll see if the resistance holds up. Downside target right now is going to actually be around this 13,800. So 13,800, 14,000 area. We're going to look to see if we end up closing around that area on the downside. So let's do our recap, family. We have our four indexes showing that there is some type of strength brewing. All right, we have indicated for a long time on this channel that the market was going to move lower. Well, shame on me. The market has bullied higher. Bullied its way to the upside. There's only a few resistances in the way right now, but right now it shows that the bulls are in check. This is the beginning of the month. We have seen this before where things have risen and fallen later in the month. So we still have a full month here to figure out what's going to happen. But as it stands right now, S&P is looking very bullish. IWM is waking up. This is the one that I continue to watch to see if the market really is bullish, and it is waking up and out of its range. The Dow is still range bound, staying within its very small range, and the Nasdaq continues to be the strong one here. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that to see what's going to happen. Right now, it looks like the bulls are in full control. So how have you been, family? It's been a while. I'm not going to lie to you. I have been very, very busy and I've enjoyed myself on this off time from the videos, but I will continue to do my thing here. So make sure you hit me up, leave a comment below. Let me know what you're listening to for hip hop. Like I mentioned, 38 Special just dropped something new. I'm going to listen to the full project again after this, and there are plenty more projects out there, so let me know what you are listening to and we can do it together. All right, enjoy yourself this weekend. Health is wealth. Check out the new podcast. I just did a new podcast with a good friend of mine, Sharice, and she is on there with me. We're talking about health and how it is your wealth. So check that out. Stocks and Bars, that is everywhere. And like I said, enjoy yourself this weekend. Please. Oh, Spider-Man is out. Can't wait to check that out too. Man, there's so many things going on. I'm looking forward to this weekend. So you do the same, all right? And I will catch you next time. Peace.